In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the new UPS4E electrical loop calibrator. The UPS4E is the newest handheld electrical loop calibrator in Druck's Essential series, replacing the much-loved UPS3. Designed as a pocket-sized one-handed loop calibrator, the UPS4E is an essential tool for loop testing and instrument maintenance. Building on from its predecessors, the UPS4E provides a completely new user interface, an accuracy performance of 0.01% of reading, and can record over 100,000 data log points from the main reading channel. The UPS4E has various modes that can be easily cycled through, including 0 to 20 or 4 to 20 milliamps, and voltage, which is displayed as a reading and as a percentage of span. With an easy-to-read backlit display, users can step quickly through the advanced modes, manual, linear, flow, and valve to complete tests and zero or span adjustments. In valve mode, seating can be checked and the actuator set. Within each mode, the UPS4E offers advanced time-saving features such as auto, step, ramp, and span functionality. The UPS4E is powered by AA batteries, engineered for a quick start and easy operation to provide up to 72 hours of usage in measure mode. Using a USB cable, you can also power or download your data login values. Thank you for watching. To find out more, please visit our website.